Hello student, myself V.S. Deshmukh, lecturer in mathematics, CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Kanchanwadi. Today we are discuss about the syllabus and curriculum of second semester applied mathematics subject. This is our institute vision to provide value-based technical education so as to meet the needs of industry and society. These are the institute mission statements. First is imparting the technical knowledge and skill through effective implementation of teaching and learning. The second is strengthening interaction between industry and institute to fulfill the requirements of industries. And third one is to inculcate the professional and ethical values for social and environmental concern. These are the program outcomes. The first is a basic and discipline specific knowledge. Apply the knowledge of basic mathematics, science and engineering fundamental and engineering specialization to solve the engineering problems. Second is problem analysis. Identify and analyze the well-defined engineering problem using code-defined standard methods. The third is design and development of solution. Design solutions for well-defined technical problems and assist with the design of system components or a process to meet the specified needs. The fourth is engineering tools, experimentation and testing. Apply the modern engineering tools and appropriate technique to conduct the standard test and measurements. The fifth one is engineering practice for society, sustainability and environment. In this, apply appropriate technology in context of society, sustainability, environment and ethical practices. The sixth one is the project management. Use engineering management principles individually as a team member or a leader to manage projects and effectively communicate about well-defined engineering activities. The seventh is the lifelong learning. In this, ability to analyze individual needs and engage in updating the context of technological changes. Here in the civil department, our course is applied mathematics. The course code for that is 22201 and the course abbreviation is AMS. This is our teaching scheme. The teaching and examination scheme is like this. The subject is applied mathematics. In the teaching scheme, in hours, the lectures are 3, tutorial is 1 and there is no practical for mathematics. So the total credits are 4. Now in the examination scheme, the theory marks, the end semester examination is of 70 marks and the practical assessment, progressive assessment is of 30 marks. And so the total marks is 100. This is the specification table for question paper design. It is the unit wise. So there are the 5 units in the applied mathematics. The first is a differential calculus. The teaching hour for that is 14 and the distribution of theory marks on the basis of remember, understanding and application level, that is the 4, 8, 12 and that chapter differential calculus is of 24 marks. Similarly, the second chapter integral calculus, the teaching hours are 12 and the total marks for that chapter is 16. Third is application of definite integration. The teaching hours are 8 and the total marks are 8. Fourth is first order first degree differential equation. The teaching hours are 6 and the total marks are 8. Numerical integration is the last unit and in that there are the 8 teaching hours and that chapter is for 14 marks. So, the scheme is for 48 teaching hours and is of total marks of the subject is 70. The rationale of this subject, the course is an extension of basic mathematics of a first semester, namely applied mathematics, which is designed for its applications in engineering and technology using the techniques of calculus, differentiation, integration, differential equation, and in particular the numerical integration. Derivatives are useful to find the slope of the curve, maxima, minima of the function, radius of curvature. Integral calculus helps in finding the area. Differential equation is used in finding of the curves and its related application for various engineering models. Numerical integration is used to find the area of the function, especially whose integration cannot be evaluated easily with the routine methods. This course further develops the skills and understanding of mathematical concepts which underpin the investigative tools used in the engineering. The competency of this subject the aim of this course is to help the students to attain the following industry identified competencies through various teaching learning experiences. And the competency is solve civil engineering related broad-based problems using the principle of applied mathematics. These are the course outcomes. The first course outcomes is calculate the equation of tangent, maxima, minima, radius of curvature by differentiation. The second is solve the given problems of integration using suitable methods. The third is apply the concept of integration to find the area and volume. The fourth is solve the differential equation of a first order and first degree using suitable methods. The fifth one is apply the concept of numerical integration to investigate the area. Thank you. These are the course outcomes and the brief explanation of the course applied.